This video is going to be about replacing the drive wheels on this Troybilt mower. This video is sponsored by Ranwin. They supplied the wheels that we're going to use on this video. So let's get to the unboxing and take a look at them. They come double boxed like this. So we pull them out of the first box, and then they're in here, and there is a label with the part number and all that information. So we'll take them out of this box. And they come very nicely bubble wrapped, so they ship well without any damage. So these are 8" in diameter, 2 inches wide, with a 1/2 inch center hole. And these do have a bushing that goes all the way through from this side to this side. That's going to reduce wear. These are going to last a long time. And it has 53 teeth all the way around here. That's going to match your original wheels. And these are a one-piece design. This is not a separate hubcap. This is all one piece with the tire inserted onto it already. So let's put this on the mower and see how they work. So to install these wheels on the mower, we're going to lift the front of the mower up. And I'm going to use a jack stand. But you could use a block of wood or anything that's going to hold this wheel up in the air. So you see here the design is basically the same, except this is open on the new one. So we're going to pull this hubcap off. It pops off just like that. This is a 9/16 nut here. So you only really need this one tool. And this here is going to line up with this gear here. So we put this back on and we tighten this up like that. And this side's done. And now we will do the other side. And that's all there is to installing these wheels. It's super easy. So now we're going to go try this out and see how well these wheels work. So that's our unboxing and installation of the Ranwin drive wheels for Troybilt and Craftsman lawnmowers. Follow the link on Amazon to the Ranwin store so you can buy these wheels for your mower. There will be a link in the video description. I may get a small commission if you buy from that link, and it doesn't cost you any extra.